What are you doing, Anna? You in your new seat? Your new favorite spot in the refrigerator? Well, that is very good. Anna, can you tell us what the lion says? Can you tell us what the dog says? What about the sheep? What does the sheep say? What does the sheep say? Oh, what does the owl say? What does the snake say? Oh, what does the cow say? Very good. What does the rooster say? Excellent.
What about the duck? What's a duck say?
Very good. You're smart.
Now, Anna, how would you come out of the fridge and shut the door for Daddy?
Oh, tell us one more. What does the baby say? Okay. Can you come out of the refrigerator and shut the door? Can you help Mommy and shut the door to the refrigerator? Can you shut it, please? Thank you. Okay, we'll take out of the fridge.